The Earth really wants to hold me. Let's try these two. Fast and slow. But both go down. It's like a giant invisible magnet pulling everything to the ground. It has a special name. It's called gravity. It keeps us safe.
Without it, we would float away into space. I'm glad gravity holds me here.
Thanks, Gravity, for the apple. Subscribe for more.